everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Now, as promised and as I told you, this video is gonna be a gift unboxing video, birthday gift unboxing. So I got a lot of things from my friends and family, not exactly friends, but yeah, they are all my family. So I got a lot of things from them. So yeah, I will show you what all I got on my birthday as gifts. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the red bell button right next to it so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload any new video. So yeah, now let's just get started. Okay, so first things first, I got this sling bag from my boyfriend and he got this for me on my birthday. I actually had it in my wish list and he saw that and he just gifted me this bag on my birthday. And I showed you in my previous haul video, Max Fashion haul video, that I got this bag from Max Fashion, their online website. So yeah, this is the bag and this is the first gift. Next one is this dress which I had shown you in the previous video, Max Fashion haul, that this green dress was a gift from Riju as well. He gifted me this dress as well on my birthday. I have really nothing to say about this dress because I have already mentioned so many things about this dress in my previous video. So if you haven't checked it out, please go check it out. I will leave the link on the screen and in the description box below, so do check it out. Next gift that my boyfriend again gifted me on my birthday is this pair of cute earrings. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, these are a pair of cute dolphin earrings. I am fond of these kind of cute earrings, like small earrings. I am someone who doesn't like to wear a lot of big earrings on a regular basis. So I wear golden smaller earrings for everyday basis, and he actually got me this one, and this was actually a surprise. I didn't expect this from him because it's a pure gold earring, and I really appreciate and I really love this gift. Thank you so much, Riju, for gifting me this, and I will definitely wear it on regular basis. So yeah, that's the next gift that I got. Okay, so next up I have a gift from my sister, my elder sister. I don't know if I broke it. It just fell out of my hands. So okay, it's not broken, thank God. This is a soup bowl with a spoon. I think it's ceramic. Yeah, it's ceramic. So here is a soup bowl with a spoon, a ceramic spoon. This is not a plastic spoon, it's a ceramic one. So you get it, and it's in the color black, and inside it is a yellow colored bowl. I really like this bowl because I am into soups these days. She knows that I really like to have soups for my dinner. So she gifted me this soup bowl, which is really cute. I think it's really thoughtful of her. I really like this gift. Thank you, Dee, for gifting me this one. Another thing that my sister gifted me is this handmade dream catcher. Like, look at this. It is so cute, so amazing. Oh my god, this is so cute. How cute. Oh my god, I love this one. And it is handmade, you guys. She made it herself. So you see, this will look so good on my wall. It's in the color pink, so I really like it. I really like it. Thank you, Dee. Thank you so much for this one. I really appreciate your gift. Okay, so the last two gifts are from my mom and dad. So the first thing is this Smashbox lipstick. Oh my god, I told my mom that I was gonna buy a Smashbox lipstick for my birthday, and she told me like, okay, fine, order that. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna order that randomly for myself, like with my own money. But when it arrived, my mom actually gave me the amount, like the amount for the lipstick, and it was for rupees 2100 something. So yeah, you guys know Smashbox lipsticks are expensive, so my mother gave me that amount and told me that, you know what, you just keep it as a gift from me. So yeah, I really like this Smashbox lipstick. It's not about always the gifts, but it's about the special treatment that you get on your birthday, and that's the most lovely thing that can happen on your birthday. So yeah, this is the lipstick that my mom gifted me, and it's in the shade Stepping Out. I actually told you in my previous lipstick video that I'm gonna buy the full size lipstick of Stepping Out. I had a similar lipstick, the Stepping Out one, in the mini size, so I told you guys that I was gonna buy another one in the large size. So this is what I got from Smashbox, and this is what my mom gifted me. Thank you, Mom. Okay, so the last thing that my dad gifted me on my birthday is a watch. It's not a watch actually, it's a fitness band, smart band kind of thing. Here it is. It is from MI. It is MI Smart Band 4, and my dad ordered it from Amazon, and this came in a gift box like this, and it had a small card which says, "Happy birthday, enjoy your gift from Dad." I think it's really cute. So thank you, Dad, for this. This watch was for rupees, I guess, 2499 or 2399. I don't know. I don't remember the prices, but I was eyeing this smart band for a really long time, and it was in my wish list for a really long time. And first I saw a smart band like this on my brother's hand, and I wore it for a day, and I literally was thinking, you know what, I just immediately I have to get one for myself. So I wishlisted this one because it's a new launch from MI, and it looks something like this. Yeah, it can count your steps, it can count your calorie, it can you can set your alarm in it, and it can do a lot of functions. Actually, you have to connect this watch with your phone via Bluetooth, and you have to actually I think install an app from MI store. I don't know, I don't know the process because my boyfriend did the rest of the job with this watch, but I am using this right now. It comes with a charger, and you can open this screen, and you can put it on charge. So let me just wear it first. So here it is. You can wear it all day, every day, even if you're sleeping at night. I think you can wear it and sleep because it works as an alarm. So it has some really amazing, beautiful features that can really, help with your daily life. So I guess it's a smart buy. It looks really classy, I guess. And thank you, Dad, for this. And yeah, that was it. Those were all my gifts that I got on my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you want to know about anything. So yeah, that was it, and I will be back with another video very soon. So stay tuned on my channel and keep subscribing.